Okay, I'm going to dry my longhorn cayenne peppers. This is the last, this is just a batch that I got this morning. I took off the stem end, of course, put it on just a plain sheet of aluminum foil, and I'm going to put it in the oven and set the oven at 175 to dry these out. Once they're dry and crumbly, I crush them up and put them in a jar, and then I have my hot pepper flakes to use in all my recipes. So let's see. Go. The thermometer is at about 175, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see it. And we'll just let that sit in the oven for about 8 hours, believe it or not.